start. It has been further argued by the learned counsel for the appellants that the appointment petition it is not maintainable. A compensation has been disturbed to them. Stop. He further went on the argue that the respondents will have to file a civil suit for recovery of the amount of compensation. Stop. This argument is not acceptable. Stop. It has come in the statement of so and so that the amount of compensation was disturbed to the landowner appellant in spite of the fact that protests were raised by him. Stop. In the other case, that is RFA number 82 of 1980 State of Haryana, it has further been found as the fact by the learned additional district judge that the amount of compensation was deposited in the treasury under the revenue head and it was disturbed to the other landowners thereafter in spite of protests having been made regarding disbursement. Stop. On the basis of these disbursement facts, it has rightly been found by the learned additional district judge that the payment was wrongly made by the collector even though there was a dispute with respect to the appointment. Stop. On these bases of relevant case law on the point that is so and so and another 1978 RLR 389 comes into play. Stop. It has been held therein as under. Stop. A collector acts against the express provisions of section 31 within bracket 2 of the Land Acquisition Act in making the payment of compensation money where there is a dispute as to who should receive the same. Stop. Such payment, however, does not the jurisdiction of the court to her the reference. Stop. The collector being in error in making the payment, the courts must rectify the matter to bring the action of the collector in line with the statutory requirements by ordering that the money be forthwith brought into court as an interim measure. Stop. Moreover, as has been observed by the learned additional district judge, no notice were sent to the respondents who were recorded as tenants before the acquisition proceedings and therefore if the payment has wrongly been made, the present reference cannot be said to be buried. Stop. No other point was urged by the council. Stop. In the light of the observation made above, there is no force in the appeals which are thereby dismissed with cost. Stop. The council's fee is qualified at rupees 1000 in each appeal. Stop. The appellants are directed to deposit the money on or before October 31, 1989 in the court in which it would have been deposited under section 31 within bracket 2 of the Land Acquisition Act but for the disbursement made to the